Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all having a very wonderful day, and today I'm going to show you how to create a French nail. So I'm going to be using the classic colors, which are the pink and white, just so you can actually see the contrast between both of them. And we're going to be creating the smile line by using this nail tip here. This is just the easiest way that I've learned to do that. It's not going to be a very deep smile line. It's just going to be just a very basic smile line. So I'm going to go ahead and get started here. I'm going to start off by doing pink first, and then I'll show you how to do a reverse technique as well using the nail tip. Alright, so we're going to go in with the pink, and I am going to be using more of a dry bead than anything, just because I am going to be creating the thickness of the nail at the same time. A small one just to apply on the cuticle area here. Okay, so I'm going to bring that down to where I feel I want to create that smile line, and I feel that that is about right. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and take my nail tip, and I'm going to go in straight down, and I think that's about where I want to create it. Straight down and pull. Okay, and then I'm just going to be pushing in the sides, and if there's a little bit left over, that's okay. You can just go back with your nail tip and remove that. And I'm going to be pushing that in. Okay, so I think that's pretty even there. So now I'm going to go in with my white, again working with dry beads. And I'm going to go ahead and place it right next to the pink, and then just brush it down. Again, cleaning your sidewalls there, pushing that product in towards the sidewalls. And again, do not worry about the white on top of the pink, because when you file, that is all going to come off. Okay, I'm going to go in with another bead of white and place it right next to that white there that I placed, and comb it back, or brush it back actually. Okay, so then I'm going to come back and file this nail, but now I'm going to do a reverse method of this, okay? Using the same nail tip. Let me see if I can clean this off. Yes, so that came right off the nail tip. So now I'm going to start off with the white, again working with dry beads, placing it right underneath where I want the smile line to be. Okay, and again, just keep in mind I am working on creating the thickness of my nail as well. I do feel like I need a little bit more of white on the tip here, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my nail tip and I'm going to hold it straight down. I hope that you guys can actually see that. It's really hard to try to get it on the right spot where I want it and try to keep in focus with you guys. Alright, so I went ahead and I created that smile line just by pointing my nail tip straight down and then dragging down. So go in, straight down, and drag down. So now I'm going to go in with my pink, again working with dry beads. I'm going to place it right next to the pink, get it in place, and then drag it down. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with one more bead next to my cuticle area. And then dragging it down. And it looks like an ombre right now, but once you go in with your file, you will see that smile line actually come through for you. So that is done. Now I'm going to go in with my file. Okay, so that is the first one. I want you to see the side of the nail and then the thickness of the nail. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with this one. Okay guys, so we're back. I ran out of battery, so I went ahead and I finished filing my nail, and then I went ahead and applied a top coat, and this would be the finished product. This is the nail where I went actually in like this and then pulled to the front, and then this is the one that is the reversed method where I actually went straight through and then pulled back. Okay, so then that is the finished product. I hope that you like my video, and if there's any questions, leave them on the comments below, and yeah, give me a big thumbs up if you liked the video, and then that would be it for this video. I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.